Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix sound video and game controller missing from device manager. Right click start button, click device manager. Click computer name. Click action, click scan for hardware changes. Click action, click add legacy hardware. Check install the hardware that I manually select from a list. Select sound video and game controllers, click next. Select Realtek, select recently updated drivers in the driver list. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.